Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are reading the book Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions by Anubhav Agarwal. I already uploaded the 32 chapter of this book. Click on the I button and watch it. This is the first part of the 33rd chapter. So let's start. Broken. Gift. Do you even know what you have done to me and my life in these 3 months? Do you even know how difficult it is to love you? I thought that I could love you and make things work, but I was wrong. It is not easy to love you. Loving you is the biggest trouble, and you are too. Zoya replied in anger. Zoya, so is it difficult to love me? Where did I go wrong? Did I not respect you? Did I not love you? Did I not support you? Did I not care? When you wanted, we spoke. When you wanted, you ignored. Everything in this relationship has been done according to you and how you had like it. I have been never dominated you. Then why are you doing all this? I don't feel happy with you. I don't like your company anymore. We were good as friends. See, I don't have any problem being friends with you. I can be friends only if you are okay with it. But I can't take this relationship anymore, Zoya said. It takes a lot of effort to build a relationship and takes a few minutes to break it. Whatever you are doing now is not good. At least give me one chance to prove myself. I'll control my feelings and my emotions. Please trust me. Just once, I said, pleading with her. I guess Zoya had already decided that she wanted to end all this and that she didn't want to stay in this relationship. That night, I pleaded with her, begged her to stay back and not to leave. But she didn't feel anything, didn't even bother about the fact that I was crying. I did every possible thing to make her stay, but everything turned out to be a waste. I was broken, the girl who was my strength all this while, the one who kept me sane. Today, that girl broke my heart and my soul. She shattered me. I had flashbacks of when I spoke to her for the very first time and how I fell in love with her. The day we first saw each other, looking at each other when she passed by. Oh, how I wished that I could go back in time to hold her and stop her from leaving, because all this started from that one place in Rampur when our paths separated. I could not believe that this was happening in real life. It felt like I was in a dream, and the moment I opened my eyes, everything would go back to normal. But no, it didn't change. How can someone be so stone-hearted and do this to a person who loves them a lot? She left me crying that day and disconnected the call. I could not digest the fact that she was not with me anymore, and she just left with a bye. I was hoping this darkness would end, but with the first ray of sunlight, nothing could change and everything stood still. I could feel the pain inside me. I was shattered into pieces, and I was still right there in the corner of the room, holding my broken pieces, still hoping for things to get better. It was very difficult to hold back my tears, but I had to do it. All I could think was, if I talk to her once and make her believe that everything will change, I'll change, so she will come back. I wanted to try my luck. I would make her understand how much I love her. From that night on, all I did was try not to cry, praying and hoping for things to get better. I would message her and call her, but she did not take my calls nor reply to my messages. I had texted her till 11 in the morning before leaving for college and keep the chat box open for an hour to see if she came online. I did not know what I should do to get her to come into my life. But everything I could think of doing was wasted, as she did not respond to anything at all. So this is the first part of the 33rd chapter. I will upload the next part soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.